Today we are gonna dig and divide these primroses. I have one here, and I think there's one, yeah, there's one over here. Get the whole clump. There you go. All right, there's one. Yeah, there's one. I don't want that guy. And I don't want that slug. We will make sure that we don't get any slugs. All right, that should be enough. All right, we have our mother plant, and we have our small little pots. So we're gonna take a clump. We're just gonna take all the dirt off of it, anything that's loose. And then we're just gonna start dividing this thing. It's super easy. This is gotta be one of the easiest plants that there is to divide. I'll show you how easy it is. You just pull it apart. Start in there with your thumbs and then just start wiggling it. Pull it, tease those roots apart, and you got yourself a plant. Simple as that. Go in here, get all the dead stuff off. And there is a trick to these that I learned years ago. Make sure that's just a worm. I don't mind worms. I don't want slugs. Make sure. But take that clump, right like that. Chop it off. That forces new growth and flowers to come. Some of these are yellow, some of these are purple. We're just using our bark sand mixture. There we go. We'll just continue on doing all these one by one, and we'll come back at the end, see how many we get. But you just keep prying, just keep pulling these things apart. They're pretty simple. There we go. Okay, so those three clumps, oops, sorry. Those three clumps gave us 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 15 total out of 3 clumps. Not too shabby. We'll water them in, and that's it. They'll sit in the greenhouse for the winter and put on roots. Alright, go outside to get watered. It's got watered in really well. There you go. I love it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.